Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. On the auspicious occasion of Diwali and Kali Puja, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik conveyed his good wishes to all on Saturday. He took to his Twitter handle to greet the people of Odisha on this occasion. The CM requested everyone to be careful in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. He wished that the Festival of Lights may fill everyone's lives with peace, happiness and prosperity. As a token of appreciation and love on the eve of Festival of Lights, the Bhubaneswar Smart City Limited gave away 20 bicycles to peer leaders or Pragati Sathis and another 5 to underprivileged kids from slum areas in the city. It is worth mentioning here that the BSCL is organizing Cycle Giri every Friday. The weekly event was launched following a cyclothon on the 9th of October. The state government, as a part of its 5T initiative, has prepared an online database of 76 lakh farmers, which will help it in the disbursement of various benefits to the farmers. Naveen Patnaik asked the officials concerned to complete verification of database within 100 days. The state government on Friday signed a memorandum of understanding with Tata Consultancy Service to impart online education to class 9 and 10 students of Adarsh Vidyalayas and Utkarsh Vidyalayas free of cost. Police rescued as many as 56 bonded labourers, including 23 women and 8 children, when they were about to be transported to Hyderabad from Kantabanji railway station in Mulangi district late on Friday night. The labourers said a middleman was taking them to Visakhapatnam to engage them at a brick kiln. They were to board the Korba Visakhapatnam Link Express. Amid the continued deadlock between the centre and Punjab's farmer unions, the protesting farmers on Saturday announced to observe Black Diwali against the black agricultural laws. "We will light mashals on Diwali night as a sign of our Sangharsh," a statement by the BKU Ekta said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday paid tribute to the country's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on his birth anniversary. "My humble tributes to the country's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his birth anniversary," Modi tweeted. As the US was preparing for the final approval of COVID-19 vaccines and distribution, the politics behind it reached a new level, with Donald Trump threatening to withhold them from the New York state because Governor Andrew Cuomo had been skeptic of his plan to speed up the availability. Cuomo has said that he does not trust the federal government and would set up his own panel to approve the vaccine. And Trump said on Friday that the state won't get the vaccine till he says that he is ready to distribute it. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.